3 easy things for a kitty cat kit bag or a go bag for your pets, plus 11 essentials for evacuations. A go bag for your pets can reflect your own go bag for emergencies. Many humans don't have a go bag for themselves, let alone for their other family members, including their pets. As pet parents, we need to prepare for our 4-footed roommates, our fur babies, just like we would prepare for ourselves. What are our own basic needs? The same as our pets: water, shelter, food, in that order. If a disaster strikes, are you prepared to care for yourself while caring for your pet who constantly supports you? So, start by doing what you can, now. It will be more than what you will have in an emergency if you had waited. The time to start was yesterday. 3 things to include in a pet go bag for 24 to 72 hours, depending on your living or transport situation. 1. Water, and a way to drink it and obtain it. Have 3 days worth. I personally use cans of still water, as does 2. Shelter, which can be in the form of a covering for your pet's carrier, like under your own emergency poncho, a small waterproof tarp, or a polar fleece throw. Do not use plastic. A small first aid mylar blanket is waterproof, light, and is not sealed around the edges. Perfect for keeping body heat in and water out. Appropriate leashes or harnesses can be added so your pet can go in and out of their kennel if desired. 3. Food can be in dry or wet form, along with calming treats and toys to make your pet seek out their carrier as a safe retreat. Have 3 days worth. This is just the first level of getting ready. Think of whether you have 60 seconds to grab your pet and move to safety or leave. Do you have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, hours, or days? Make a plan according to your needs and those of your pet. A go bag can be elaborated on and added to according to situation urgency. The previous examples are for a basic evacuation. In a 1-minute grab and get out situation, such as in a fire, I would have 1 bottle of water, 1 small can of wet food, 1 small pouch of lickable treats, 1 small container of crunchy treats, a leash and collar or harness, a small flashlight clipped to the outside of the carrier, a mylar emergency poncho, a couple of towels, some paper towels and bath or poop bags, catnip and toys. My procedure order is to have their bag ready to go before anything happens. The number 1 action is to get the pet in their kennel or backpack so you know where they are while you grab the other bags, including your own go bag. Grab the pet with their bag. A few of your things can be in their bag, and get to safety. Know where their hiding places are and block them ahead of time if you can't reach them to pull them out. Make their kennel or backpack the safe place they run to. Preparedness also includes practice. Have you done any drills to get your pet used to getting into the carrier to leave quickly? If done, when there isn't an emergency, your pet will not associate getting into their bag or kennel as much with danger and be easier to handle. It's essential training for both the pet and the human to practice keeping calm, letting your muscles take over to implement your plan. Make sure you reward both your pet and yourself after the drill to build positive bonds with the practice and each other. Please like, subscribe and share. If you have other ideas for the community of pet preppers, put them in the comments so we can all learn. Have you made sure your pet's harness or leash fit and are appropriate for the carrier? Have you made copies of your pet's vaccination records to tuck into a waterproof Ziploc bag in their go bag? This can also come in handy for emergency vet trips. Other incidentals to include in a pet go bag. 1. Paper towels, pet safe wipes. 2. Poop or vomit bags for soiled items. 3. Security towel, which is stinky and smells like you, along with an extra towel or polar fleece snuggler for warmth. Think scent soakers. 4. Pet sweater for winter emergencies. 5. Bug protection, mosquito netting for hard carriers, flea collars, etc. 6. In a plastic Ziploc bag, you can keep a list of pet medications, cash, a photo of you and your pet, phone numbers of family members or veterinarians, a paper map marked with locations of hotels which take pets and veterinarians in the area, a copy of your own ID, and proof of residence. 7. Any medications your pet might need and a list of medical conditions. 8. A frozen water bottle ready to go in the freezer along with its own thermal bag, in case your pet's medicine needs refrigeration or the weather is just plain hot. 9. A small, pet-appropriate emergency kit, gauze, etc., but not the lampshade of shame, please. 10. A small clip-on flashlight for the outside of the kennel, as the power may go out and your hands will be full with the go bags and your pet. 11. Your pet's brush and comb along with a nail clipper, and tick tweezers. I hate ticks, don't you? They're thoroughly disgusting. If you haven't yet built your own human 72-hour emergency kit, you can go to the FEMA website for ideas on how to start. Here's the link: www.ready.gov/kit. Starting to prepare is something that doesn't have to cost too much money and is within reach for everyone. The first thing to prepare is your mind by having a plan. If you start your plan with the first 3 things in this video, you will be more prepared than most. Continue as you are able, knowing you are working towards your best friend's well-being. Please like, subscribe, comment and share with other pet lovers. You'll be glad you did.